E adesso, cari amici, vi voglio presentare la nostra guida, che è stato fantastico, ci ha portato a vedere tutto il parco ed è un cacciatore di leoni straordinario, perché abbiamo visto un sacco di leoni e di animali che altrimenti non saremmo riusciti a vedere. E adesso ve lo presento. What's your name?
My name is Killer.
And what's your work? You have to look inside him.
My name is Killer, and Killer is not my profession, it's my name. That is my real name. And I am a professional guide, and I started guiding in 1993. And I worked in a big hotel in town called Moana Lodge for 18 years. After that, I went to work in the other company called Pangolin Photo Safaris, of which I was a guide there for 10 years.
In fact, he is very, very clever in finding the right light for photographers. And that is a very rare thing in a guide. And he can spot a lot of animals because he feels the track the footprint of animals. And so we could see a lot of lion. It is very, very important.
Yeah.
Thank you a lot.
Yeah, through my experience, which I have been driving into the park, so I know every part of the park. I know where to find some cats. I know what time I can see some big animals like elephants. Like I told you this morning that in the afternoon you will see big heads of elephants. But that happened.
Yes. That happened, and we are very proud to present you, and we say thank you with all our heart because we are fantastic.
A question. You organize only a week, not only a single day, but also
a week.
More day.
More day. If
Yes.
one wants to sleep in tent, can come
Yes,
with you.
also I do the mobile safaris, of which we camp into the park. We do Chobe, Savuti, Kwai, and Kakanaka in Moremi. We camp into the park. We can go from 2 nights up to 10 nights.
And your cook is 5 stars, you know?
Yes, I've got a good chef by the name of Meps. He knows how to cook good food, even Italian food.
Yeah.
He knows how to cook pasta alla vita.
Okay.
Okay.
We hope to find you next time. Bye.
Looking forward to see you again. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
Bye bye.